ciao.
I wonder who the customer is.
Oh, Baka. I wonder who we're cooking for today. Shall we see?
Let's check. Batman! Batman, Batman!
Mamma mia, Baka. We are cooking for Batman.
Yay, it's Batman!
Ooh la la.
I wonder what to make.
Ooh, I have an idea. Let's check Baka's recipe book.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, Parker, it's time to cook. What will you make in your recipe book? Will you chop or will you bake? It's time to see what you will make.
We had the recipe book. Let's check.
Yes, let's take a look at what we'll be making today.
Today, guys, Parker and Gino will be making stuffed peppers.
Yes, we're making cheese, rice, peppers, and mushrooms.
Mamma mia.
Yeah!
Ooh la la.
Let's get started. Come on, guys. Let's get the ingredients. The ingredients in here. Let's get them. Rice, gotcha. Mushroom, gotcha. Cheese, gotcha. We have all the ingredients. Mushroom, cheese, rice.
But Baka, do you have all the ingredients?
Yes.
Baka. I can see an item missing. Hello! Boys and girls, can you see the missing ingredient?
Boys and girls, can you help Parker and Gino find the missing ingredient? Well done!
Yay!
Well done, boys and girls at home. The missing ingredient was peppers.
Yay!
So Baka, you need to go to the supermarket, get your cape and
But
go.
I put away. We need to go to the shops.
Okay.
Superhero power! Wee, 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 wee. Yes, we are wise. Need to find the missing ingredient.
Yes.
Let's go. Half the minute to find the ingredients. Ingredient is peppers. Let's go. Guys, when you know peppers, where the peppers is, can you help me? Oh yes, I am remember. Yes, we did it.
Awesome!
Oh, I need my cake. Wee, 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 wee.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, we got a pepper. Let's make it.
Come on, Baka. You can do it.
A big one.
Come on!
Oopsies.
Let's chop, chop, chop.
Chop, chop, chop.
Boys and girls at home, be careful with a sharp knife.
Yes.
Wow, Baka, you cut the pepper. Well done. Delicioso.
Let's put the stuff inside.
Oh la la.
Get mushrooms and rice and cheese in. Rice in. Oopsies.
You clumsy boy, Baka.
Put a cheese in.
Mamma mia, cheese! A cheese, a cheese, a cheese! Let's put it in the oven.
It's ready! Gino, go take it to Billy!
Oh, okay, Paka. I'll take it to Batman.
That was delicious. Yeah, time! Stop, stop, scrub! Jai, jai, jai! Push, push, push! Bop, bop, bop! That's like chicken.
Paka, let's give the customer a mystery surprise.
Yay! Go open with my battery. Smash, smash, smash. Now it's open. Let's see what's in there.
Ooh, Paka, he got Hotel Transylvania.
Yay!
Boys and girls, it's time to go. We'll see you next time. Ciao.
Yay! So that's fine. Let's say goodbye. September. We'll be back on the birthday. Yay! Goodbye, everyone.